Hey guys, this is Dave with JoesGE Gaming and Electronics here with a Fitbit versus tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to disassemble the main board from the back housing. So if you're looking at the Fitbit upright with the home button on the left and the two side buttons on the right, I use a T2 screwdriver because it's tailored for these screws that are used to attach the main board. So there's going to be a screw in the top left hand corner of where the screen would be. So you want to go ahead and loosen that up and take it out. Set that aside. So that'll be the only screw holding the board. Aside from that, there's going to be two ribbons here. There's going to be a little one here where the ribbon shield would be if the screen was in place. And there's going to be another one right at the bottom here. So if there is any tape attached to it, you want to go ahead and get in there, take the tape out. There you go. And the reason why I use a plastic pry tool for taking the ribbons off is so that I don't damage any connections using a metal one. So when you have both of the ribbons taken apart, I like to use tweezers for this, but you want to find a gap somewhere. I normally just put it into a screw hole and make sure your ribbons aren't in the way, and it should lift right up. And there you have it. All the parts and tools that will be used in this video are available on our website in the link below. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.